Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front strut assembly on 2011 Kia Sorento. And here this is the strut leaking badly, and when you hit the park hole you hear a knocking sound come out. Okay, so let's get it started, guys. It's very simple to change the front strut assembly. We just remove the two nuts out for the strut and one nut for the sway baling and three nut on the strut mount, and it's okay. Let's get started, guys. So right now I'm going to remove the sway baling. We use the number 17mm, guys. Let me show you. Just I can a little bit fast. So it's out. Let's just pull the sway baling to the side, and next we're gonna remove the nut in here. We use a wrench number 17mm to hold one side, and the nut we use number, what the heck is that? It's 19mm. I gotta do opposite it. I gotta do that way because I cannot put the socket to the other side, it's stuck it. So I'm gonna use this ring number 19 and a 17mm bowling. Yes, one's out and the other one is out. And next you see the ABS sensor wire in here. Just twist it to the other side. 1 second, let me bring this job is a very simple job, you know? Knock it out. Just knock the bolts out. 1 second. One's out, and the last one on there. 1 second. Stuck. Okay. Stuck it fine. No problem. Just get out. And that's what I did it. I just put one ring to hold the knuckle in place. And 1 second, we go up. When we go up in here, you see the strut mount bolt or nuts. We use number 14mm. Just unscrew it. It's a very fast job. So after you unscrew the three nuts in here, it's time to remove the whole struts out. Okay, so I put the camera on here and okay, so we can remove the whole struts out, guys. So the whole strut is completely broke inside. So okay, let me put the camera in here and bring the new ones out. Let me show you. This one is a brand new strut that I got it from O'Reilly. But it's not a really good strut, but money, you know, the customer short money, that's why I use the Master Pro one. Not really good strut, man. There's no money, a little bit hard. Okay, just wait a little bit, I'll be back.
The key inside the car, right? Yeah.
Okay, so it's time to reinstall it. Okay, just put it here. When I move the camera up, you can see it when a strut come up. Okay, and after just tightening. And put the cap back in. Right, so come back down there. It's time to put the knuckle back in. It's perfect. Just put the balls. Put the ball in. I don't want to go in. Okay, after in, just put the ABS sensor in here and start tightening it. And this ties. Same thing, I use number 19mm to hold the nuts, and this 17mm socket to tighten. And the last part is a swiveling here. Oh, this one like big violet that don't do good job. I will make it bigger. And 17mm nut in here. It's all set right now. It's how to replace the front strut on 13 or oh no 11. Oh, this one 11 or 12. I forgot it. Look like 11. Kia Sorento. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.